this video we will learn how to make DTM and DXF file of road data. At first open your AutoCAD. Then open your SWDTM. Now open your Excel file. Select all points you want to import. Now import points you selected on Excel to AutoCAD. Double-click on your middle mouse button to zoom extent points. Right-click on your mouse. Click on Find. Type the name of the center points you gave in remarks in Excel. Click on Find. Then click on Select All Points icon. Now all road center points you searched are selected. We have to hide all other points than center points. To do so, right-click on your mouse. Go to Isolate, and isolate the objects. Now our road center points are isolated. Go to Alignment and then Draw Road Alignment. Join the center line points. You can skip some points. So, our alignment is ready. Again, right-click on your mouse button. Go to Isolate and End Object Isolation to see all the points. Now our all points are shown. To draw road edge we have to join road left and right points. To join road left edge points, we have to isolate road left edge points. Right-click on your mouse, then go to Find. Then search for your road right edge data by their name in remarks. Then click on Select All Points icon. Again, right-click on your mouse and go to Isolate and isolate objects. Now our road left edge points are isolated and all other are hidden. Join road edge data by 3D polyline. Go to Draw and to 3D polyline. Or, you can just type 3D poly in command line and enter. Then join the road left side points. You can skip some points. Just make sure that your road edge line is going through road edge points. And only click at points. Do not click outside points. Again we have to end object isolation to see all points. Right-click on mouse, go to isolate and click on end object isolation. Now, our all points are shown. Right-click on mouse, go to find. Search your road right side data. Then click on select all icon. Isolate the road right side points. Again, join road right side points by 3D polyline. Now, end object isolation. Now we have drawn our right and left road edge and alignment. Here I have to correct lines. As my road edge and alignment lines are intersected, click on line, then hold your cursor on the vertex. You can remove this vertex only, or simply click on vertex and drag it to move the vertex. In this way you can edit your line. Now, go to DTM and draw the boundary line outside the points. Do not leave any point or drawing outside the boundary. Right-click on mouse and click on close to close the boundary. We have to work layer-wise. So, to give our different lines different layer properties, go to Layer Properties, click on New Layer icon. Give it a name and color. Then click Enter and close it. Choose Alignment and go to Layers. Click on layer you want to apply to selected line. Now, go to SWDTM. Then points and click on Process Points. We have to process points to do further operations. Again, go to Triangles, then triangulate the points. Go to Contours, then draw round contours. You can decrease or increase contour intervals. Round factor. Then click on Draw. Our contour map is ready. Now, we have to make DTM and DXF files, which we will later use on SW Road V2. At first, to make DTM file, go to Utilities, then click on Make DTM. Give a name to DTM file and save your DTM file on your computer. Now, to make DXF file of our whole AutoCAD drawing, go to AutoCAD's A icon. Double-click on Save As. It is showing default DWG file type. Here, before saving, change the type files to DXF. Then save the DXF file on your computer.